Okay. Email means it is a kind of SMS. Okay, it is a kind of SMS. Okay, short message. Short message. Okay, and email. Email is an acronym and it stands for the electronic mail. Okay, E means electronic mail. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the email. Okay, electronic mail, and it is a kind of messages, kind of SMS. Okay, so how to write email today we are going to learn. See, there are two types of email like later. See, first one is formal, second one is informal. Formal email we always write to the companies. Okay, means the formal means where we can't use flowery language. Okay, in formal mail we have to use only official language. Okay, now see there are two types of email, that is formal and informal. So formal email we going to write to the companies, to the government department and to the offices. Okay, and informal email, okay, which we are going to write on the base of the family. Okay, which we send to the family members, to the relatives and to the friends. Okay, so these are the types of email. Electric mail, the first formal letter which we are going to write to the companies, government department and offices. Okay, so we can say that official base. And what is the informal letter? Informal email, it's like an informal letter which we are going to write to the family, to the relatives, to the friends. Okay, it's like a letter writing. Understood? Now see here. Okay, so see how to format an email. First, there is a part of an email, then capitalization, spacing and empty lines and signature block. It is optional. Okay, so these are the format of an email writing. See here, this is the correct example of the email writing and it is the correct format. Okay, so here see first two. Two means to whom we are going to send email. Okay, and for email writing we need email address. Email address of the to whom we are going to write email. Okay, so it's very important, email address of a person. So here two. Okay, two means to whom we are going to write the letter. That person's address we have to write here. Okay, then subject. What is the subject? Okay, so when we are going to write email at the time, by which purpose, okay, for which reason we are going to write, that only important to note down it. So that is the subject, and next one is the dear Miss Holly. Okay, now see there is a passages. Okay, short passages, two passages are there, and after that there is a best regards and and there is a name of the sender, that is George Kanji Bag. Okay, so see here, this is the format and example of email writing. Now next. Okay, so see two. I already told you that into what we are going to write, that is the address. Okay, not our address, not sender's address. It is the address of receiver. Okay, to whom we are going to write the email. Whom we are going to write the email. Now see, Pratiti asked me about one question and I told her that she has to put an email. Okay, so means she will put email on the school mail. Okay, so which email she will write? Pratiti's email or school email? She will write school email because she is sending the email to the school. Okay, So in to, we always write the mail of to whom we are sending email. Okay. Now second one, subject, and subject should be small. Okay. So see here, there is a subject that is sick today, homework question. Okay. Now salutation. So here, if we are going to write write the letter to the person, means to the teacher. Okay, so we will put that dear Miss Holy. It's the name of the teacher. Okay, so see, after that, body of email. Okay, and then closing, then signature, and after that, signature box here. Here we will write our name. Okay, it's optional. Okay, so see here, there is a example that means George Kanjibar is going to write letter to Miss Holy. And what is the address of the Miss Holy? Email address that Miss dot Holy at the rate EnglishUnits.com. And when we write letter, that capitalization, capital letters, small letters are very important. Okay, so now here, next one is the salutation. That is, yes, George is going to write the letter to Miss Holy. Okay, but before that, we write subject. So, what is the subject of the email? That is sick today homework question. Okay, and then salutation, dear Miss Holy, and next body of the email. Okay, I hope you are having a nice week. I'm writing to let you know that I am absent today because I am sick. I hope I will be better by tomorrow. I have a question about the homework that is due today. Is it possible for me to turn it in tomorrow when I am back? I can also scan the pages and email them today. Please let me know which is best. Okay, so best regards, George Kanjibar. Okay, so this is the closing, that is best regard, and then signature George Kanjibar. Here we cannot write our signature. Okay, here we have to put our name only. Then signature block, here we will write that our mail. Okay, for the response. Okay, how to format an email? First point is what to capitalize. Okay, so capitalize is, see the capitalization. Okay, subject means first letter of word should be capital. Okay, so say capitalize subject like a book's title. Okay, you have to capitalize subject. Yes, like the name of a book means book title, you have to write the subject. Okay, so see here, what is the reason for writing email? That is the person is sick. Okay, so sick, and he is asking for the homework question via email. Okay, so here sick today, and then dash, then homework question. Okay, means like a book title, we have to write subject. Okay, and see the capital letters. Okay, means first letter of every word should be capital. Now see second one. Second one, capitalize subject like a book title, first word, last word, important word. Okay, so it is very important. See, people like teacher. See, T of the teacher, first word of the first letter of the word. Then boy, first letter of the word, that is B. First letter of the word parent, that is P. Okay, see, whatever is important in your email, so it should be capitalized. Okay, now see, while writing the email, yes, while writing the email, articles, conjunction, preposition, yes, and these are not important. See here, while writing the email, articles, A and D, conjunction, prepositions, okay, yes, these are not important. Okay, now see, you can use the, yes, you can capitalize the first word and all nouns in salutations. See here, next point that, see here, next point that is salutations. And in salutation, you can capitalize all the word, otherwise first word, okay, otherwise a noun, okay. You can write this by your own way. Now, next one is, there are some examples of the salutation. Okay, so see if you are writing the letter to the manager. Okay, so first letter of word dear means that is D. Okay, it should be capital. Now see, second word hiring. Okay, so first letter is H, it should be capital, and then manager. Okay, so here I am going to write one example that is dear. See, if I'm going to write a email to my friend, so what? How I will write that, dear Pranit? Okay, so Pranit is my friend. So see here, the first letter of the word dear, it is capital, and this is also capital. Okay, now see, dear father. Okay, so if I'm going to write a letter to the father, then I will write D and I will write F. Means first letter of whole word should be capital always while writing the email. Okay, now next. Okay, so see, if you are going to write email, means you, if you are going to write the formal email, at the time you can use a colon. Okay, while writing the job applications, leaders of your company, school or community, then other people who are on higher position. Okay, so if you are going to write letter to them, then you can use colon. Okay, so see here, the examples are here. That is dear hiring manager, and after that there is a colon. It's all about the salutation, how to write the salutation. Okay, so see, after salutations means if when you are going to write the letter to the father, so dear father, after that salutations put. Okay. Yes, now see here, while writing the formal mail, you can put the colon. But when you are going to write informal mail, informal to the family members, to the relatives, okay, to the friends, at that time you will use comma. Okay, so see if here, if you are going to write the letter to the father or to the friend, to your mother. Okay, so at the time after writing dear father, dear mother, you will put comma. But when you are going to write the email on official base, at that time you will use colon. Understood? It is, there is a small difference that small difference of using the colon and comma. Okay, so when you are writing email on official base, means when you are going to write the formal email, at the time you will put colon. And when you are going to write email to the family members, friends, okay, at that time you will put that comma. Okay. So see next one. Okay. Now when you are closing the letter by using best regards like words, so at that time you need to capitalize only first word. Okay. So first letter of first word should be capital, and next word should not be in capital. So see here example, that is best regards. So best of the best, it is the first letter of the word best. Okay, so it should be capital. But in regards R is not capital. So capitalize the first word in closing. Okay, now see there are some examples of the closing email. Best regards, sincerely, thank you, best, yours truly. Okay, then respectfully. So these are the yes, these are all are the closing when which we can use while writing the mail. Okay, now spacing and empty lines. Okay, so see here. Yes, when you are going to write later, so after salutations means dear father, dear mother. Okay, so you need to skip one line. Okay, here you need to skip one line. So there are no line when we are going to write email. Okay, so you have to skip space. Okay, now next one, first paragraph, and after that also you need to skip a space. Okay, and next one also you need to skip space, and after that best regards. Okay, so spacing is also important point while writing email. Okay, next one, signature block, it is optional. Okay, so see best regards, then holy key. Yes. Holy card, then info@englishunits.com. Englishunit.com. And after that, there is a site. It is the one example. Then see another example that is of the more about the signature block. Okay, John Smith. After that, there is a number. Okay, and who is he? What is his designation? Okay, who is he? President, company, after that, company name. Okay, and number, city, and pin code. It's very important. Okay, so see, this is the third example. Okay, so John Smith, president, company name. Okay, 505 meaning this is the address. Okay, now this is the full example of signature block, that is John Smith, then number, then student, department of engineer, name of university. It is this is depending on your mail. Okay, to whom you are going to write the email. Okay, so see there is a one example of email. Okay, so see first column is 2. Okay, in the column 2 you are going to write that to whom you are going to write email, and cc means if you have to send this email to the other person, then add in the cc you are write the email of the other person to whom you have to send. So see here, I'm going to tell you one example, that see now Prachiti has to send later to the school. Okay, but same letter if she has to send to me also, so into she will put school email address, and in cc she will put my email address. Okay, and at the same time the email will go to the school, and email will come to me also. Understood now? So in CC, we will put more email address to whom we are going to send the email at same time. Okay, now subject. I told you that subject should be like book. Subject should like a book title. Okay, so here what is the subject? That procedure of broadcasting error message. Now see here, dear colleagues, see the capitalization. Okay, dear, D is capital, colleagues. Okay, C is capital. Now see, as discussed with the client delivery team, when we try to enable or disable error messages in future, we also need to check the status of all PBX lines. Then if it's convenient for you, I will demonstrate the work procedure on my PC tomorrow after lunch. The demonstration will last around 15 minutes. Regards, then Simon. Okay, so this is the example of mail writing. So you have to concentrate that. See here, there is a space. Okay, here is also space, here is also space, and here is also space. Okay, so space is also matter while writing email. Okay, so what is email? Email means electrical mail. One more example of email writing and how to write in email. Okay, so first see, this is the sample of the email given below to understand various elements of an email writing. Okay, so see first one, photography studio grand opening. Okay, so this email, the person is going to send, see the column 2. Okay, see this column 2. Okay, here in column 2, we always write the email ID or address of the person or persons whom you are sending the mail. Okay, so in column 2, we always write the email address. Okay, email ID or email address of the person or persons. Okay, to whom you are going to write email in column 2. So here in this letter, see, in this letter, the person is going to write this email to the 3 person. Okay, stancoop @gmail.com. It is the address of the person. Then second person is Junita Casarosa. And then third one is the George Casarosa. Okay, means to the 3 person, the person is going to send the email. Okay. Now see, second one column is about the subject. Okay, subject should be small, and it should be like a book title. Okay, now what is the subject? That photography studio grand opening. This is the subject. Okay, now next one is salutation. Here, hi everyone means to the 3 person is going to send the email. So he that hi everyone. Okay, now body of the email. Okay, so in body we always write the main idea of your email, and informal or friendly email does not need to have an introduction, body, or conclusion. The idea can flow as you want them to. Okay, so in the body of the email, we always write the main idea of the email. Okay, so see here, there is a body. Yes, I have very exciting news for you. This Saturday, we'll see the grand opening of my new studio, EC Photography. I would love it if you all could come. If you could come, it will be from 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. There will be entertainment and lots of food. So come out and enjoy the festivities. So see, after that there is a closing. Hope to see you there, Sarita. Okay. So see, greetings and sign off. These can be informal in nature. Okay. Now see, there are some tools while writing the letter that you can edit and style your email with the help of this tool. Means if you have to increase the font size. Okay, so at that time you can increase. If you have to write this letter in another font, then you can write another font. Okay, paragraph. Okay, so these all are the tools here. If you are if you have to using some bold letter or in italic or if you have to give underline, so these all are the tools which you can use while writing the letter. And you also send your email by clicking on the blue send button on the left. Okay, means by clicking on this button you can send the email. Okay, so see here there are some tools here. See this tool, the tool likes that. Okay, so it is the attachment. Okay, if you have to send any copy, any document, any photo, then you can click on that button. Okay, if you have to yes, photo, share photo, then there is a camera button. Okay, if you have to send some emojis, then there is a emojis button. Means whatever you have to send with the letter emojis, like some photo, like some documents, that also you can send. Okay, so this is the one more example of writing email